Hello guys, we are looking to BMW E30 repair kit. The repair kit was welded to the car. You can see it's very good looking. You see there is a hole for this, hole for wing. You can put this hole and see wing place. This is made from zinc coated metal, 1 millimeter. I can show you. First part is in this place. You can see. You can use not all part or just front. You can put here, it doesn't matter. There is the hole too. The second part is front. You can see shape of original, and I think it's very good repair kit for restoring E30 with corner. And the first part is the box. He is 2 millimeters. You can weld it from there. And the whole kit looking like original. It's very easy to install if you have a little brain to weld and good repair kit part. This part you can get in the online shop, partsforplastics.com. You can get all information in the description. That's all. Nice welding jobs. Thank you.